Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying the model and firmware so you know what update applies. Once done, connect the TV to a reliable Ethernet or 5 GHz Wi-Fi network and keep it powered. Make sure your Google account is signed in and there's at least 2 GB free storage. This prevents failed downloads. Now go to Settings, then System, then Software Update to check for updates and start the download. You're initiating the process deliberately to avoid interruptions or partial installs. After checking for updates, select Download and let the TV fetch the firmware. Network stability matters, so prioritize wired Ethernet when possible. You'll see progress indicators. Do not power off the set during download or install, since that risks corrupting the OS. When prompted, accept any terms, then choose Install. The system will apply changes and may reboot multiple times. If you use timers or scheduled recordings, pause them first to avoid conflicts. The installer optimizes apps and rebuilds caches automatically. Once the TV reboots, check Settings System about to confirm the firmware version and test apps. If an app misbehaves, clear its cache or update it via Google Play. If the update fails or the TV won't boot, restart your router and retry the update. If that doesn't help, attempt USB recovery using Sony's recovery image for your model. As a last resort, perform a factory reset. Backup data beforehand, because that restores system stability but erases settings and local accounts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.